Explore the realm of the Samsung Galaxy Star Plus, a groundbreaking smartphone launched in 2013. Its visionary screen immerses you in a captivating experience, while its generous 4GB of storage and 512MB of RAM ensure smooth and active usage. Effortlessly navigate through a myriad of applications with direct access to Google Play, Samsung apps, YouTube, Shaitan, and more, powered by the prowess of Android 4.1. Flexibility reigns with the ability to use 2 SIM cards and a memory card. The bright 480 by 800 display reveals every detail vividly, and the 2-megapixel camera captures memorable moments with clarity. Compact and lightweight, with dimensions of 121.2 by 62.7 by 10.6 mm and a weight of only 121 grams, the Galaxy Star Plus seamlessly integrates into your daily life. Recharge easily through its accessible USB port. Upon purchase, enjoy a comprehensive package including a charger, USB cable, and headphones. Watch your favorite videos in formats such as MP4, M4V, 3GP, 3G2, MKV, with a resolution of 720 by 480. Express your style with a range of vibrant colors, from black to white, orange, and burgundy red. Adding to its features, the Galaxy Star Plus is equipped with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, offering convenient wireless connectivity for an even more complete experience. For more videos, subscribe to the GSM Guide channel and stay updated on the latest releases. The Galaxy Star Plus, more than just a phone, is a perfect fusion of style and functionality, the exceptional choice for a complete experience.